see when you're at the shop. We have a fully chrome Lamborghini Murcielago LP640. Check out this wing. It's pretty cool. It is. I'm not a big fan of chrome, but this looks pretty good on this car. And just like that, the chrome has been removed. I meant to film it, but I got a little busy and kind of forgot to. This car looks so good in the gloss black. The paint underneath is like in pretty good condition considering. It is a beast. Oh my gosh, I love this car so much. This car is on my goals of cars I need in my life. Like, holy crap. It is so beautiful. The gloss black, look at how low this is. My camera can't even go as low as the car. And that's like the whole way. Luckily, the front lift button. I meant to film unwrapping this just to do some time lapses, but it has been such a busy day that it's I did not get a chance to film. We've unwrapped this Lamborghini, finished unwrapping this 599 GTB Ferrari. We just unwrapped it from Gold Chrome. You can still see some of the chrome showing through once we get through the final touches. So this one was Gold Chrome. It was matched by that one that is the regular chrome. We are basically taking it apart to get all the final details. So we've already done the rear end stuff, but just need to do the front end. Check out the interior. Wow. And it's got some off-road vehicles. Got this Cobra. I think it's one of the newer ones. We've got GT3 that we just added some matte black stripes and decals to. This is not the same one that I just did a video on picking up. This is another one from another dealership that the owner bought this one the exact same day as the owner is the one that I got. The differences between the two are the calipers. This one's yellow, the other one's red. The handles and the mirrors, and now the stripes, but other than that, they are identical. Corvette's gonna be wrapped in the same matte blue that we just wrapped an Audi S7 in, and it's gonna have some gloss black accents, like the wing's gonna stay gloss, the roof's gonna be gloss, that's gonna be gloss. Can't show you that car really. Other than that, a lot of my day's been spent away from the computer and unwrapping this R8. Alright, so I'm on my way to the Ferrari dealership. They just moved stores a couple months back and they are having their grand opening tonight. So I am on my way to go visit that. To be honest, I'm not sure how fancy it is. I'm wearing a plain white tee and black pants. As a backup, I have a button-up shirt right here, but that's as classy as I get. And so let's go check it out. Now, I'm not exactly sure what kind of cars are going to be there. I assume at least a couple cool cars are going to be there. I don't really know what to expect. I've never been to one of these. It's anybody's guess, I feel. I know there's a lot of Ferrari on the showroom floor, but that's at the dealership. As far as like other people that are going, I'm not exactly sure what car is going to be there, so it's going to be fun to find out. I don't think I'm allowed to film, however, so I might try sneaking some clips on my cell phone inside and getting some footage that way. I don't really even know what to expect. I don't know if there's going to be food, drinks, or what. It might even be 21 plus and I can't get in. So I guess it's time to go find out. And I am here. There are a lot of Ferraris. I'm not going to be able to film outside, but there's a 488, Maserati, MC Stradale, it's that 575, a Camaro, Gran Turismo, Ghibli, an FF, a 488, 458, parked next to 575, and a Maserati. There was an Aventador S and a Huracan Performante, and a Chrome Cobra out front too. It's pretty crazy. I think I'm underdressed, but oh well. Got a 458 Ferrari, two Ferrari Californias. Got another 458 over there. And that's Rip. And over here I see a GT3. I think this is a GT3 Touring. Yeah, beautiful. Well, it's time to go. Got a couple more left. Got a Ford 8. There's another Ford 8 hiding behind that one. Maserati MC Stradale. Got the Alpha SUV or car. I can't even remember what it's called. Got a 458 over there that's leaving.